So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make your Snapchat account public to private. So for this, first of all, open your Snapchat application, and friends, here you have to tap on your profile icon and then tap on the settings icon which is available in the top right side. So friends, here simply scroll down your page, and as you scroll down your page you will get to see option of public profile settings. Simply friends, tap on your name, and as you tap on this option, this kind of page will be open, and here simply scroll down your page, and in the last you will get to see option of clear and receipt profile. So friends, simply tap on clear and receipt profile and then tap on clear option. So as you tap on the clear option, your Snapchat account public profile will be removed or will be reseated. So after then, simply scroll down your page and then tap on use my Bitmoji avatar option, and if you want to make your Snapchat account private, so select only me option and scroll down your page and then tap on comment settings option, and make sure you have to make the settings manually approve, not the auto approve everyone or auto approve by my friends. So make sure you have to put the settings of manually approve, and here then tap on see me in find friends. So guys, if you want to make your Snapchat account private, so make sure you have to disable this option, because if you enable this option, then your account will be also suggested to different Snapchat users. So make sure you have to disable this option, and then tap on activity indicator option friends, and if this option is enabled, make sure you have to disable this option, because if you enable this option, then your friend can see a green dot in your profile which shows that you use Snapchat recently, and then tap on see my location option. So friends, if ghost mode is disabled, so make sure you have to enable the ghost mode option, because when you enable this option, your Snapchat friends can't see your location. So make sure you have to put ghost mode on, and friends, then simply scroll down your page, and here you will get to see a option of view my story, which is in this option. Tap on this option, and if this option is set to custom, then simply tap on friends only option. So guys, by following all these steps, you can also make your Snapchat account public to private. And if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.